Today, we're diving into the FiberCablesDirect OM3 LC fiber patch cable, a robust solution designed for high-speed networking. With a length of 200 meters, 656.16 feet, this cable boasts Corning's laser-optimized multimode fiber, 200M technology, featuring a 5125 optical fiber core cladding. It's housed in an aqua-colored, 2.0 millimeters outer diameter jacket, reinforced with zip cord for durability. Ideal for diverse environments including educational institutions, corporate offices, military installations, and more, this cable supports 10 gigabit Ethernet and other high-speed applications. Its 1.25mm ceramic ferrule connectors ensure reliable connectivity, utilizing LCUPC to LCUPC configuration. In terms of performance, the OM3 fiber patch cable delivers impressive modal bandwidth with 1500 2000 MHz at 850 nanometers 1300 nanometers wavelengths. It supports various Ethernet standards such as Fast Ethernet, Gigabit Ethernet, 10 gigabit Ethernet up to 300 meters, and even 40 gigabit Ethernet up to 100 meters. Crafted for longevity and backed by a lifetime warranty, this commercial-grade cable promises durability and cost-effectiveness. Whether you're setting up a new network or upgrading an existing one, the FiberCablesDirect OM3 LC cable stands out as a reliable, high-performance choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.